What's good, YouTube? It's your boy T. I'm back again with a beta box today. We got a $750 box. $700 for the box, $50 for the shipping. I love these price range boxes. For me, these hitting harder than $1,500, $1,600 boxes, just because those have those expensive kicks in it that not a lot of people can afford. So with these boxes, you normally get, you know, retros and Air Maxes and things of that nature that people can afford, actually. So not as hard to move. So I love this price range box, and I say that, and I got a $1,000 box sitting out here in my living room. But that video is going up after this one, or either I'm gonna do the Q&A and then post that one. So if you're new here, hit that sub button, man. We got plenty of boxes to open, plenty of kicks to sell. I'm gonna jump right in, not ramble too much for you guys today, so we can get this box along, man. I hope everybody's 2021 starting off strong. I hope everybody has a blessed year, man. Last year sucked for a lot of people. We got a box in a Ziploc bag. I mean, some shoes in a Ziploc bag. My favorite shoe, not of all time or anything like that, but my favorite shoe, if you guys been rocking with me for a while, you guys know I love the Vapor Max. Just because I'm an ex-fat boy trying to get in shape. These things are dead stock. I don't know the name of these. These are size 13, dead stock, 2016 release. So a 13, size 13, Vapor Max. I mean, man, I know a lot of people love this shoe and a lot of people really hate it, man. I guess just for me and my body frame, my feet shape or whatever, they work out, man. They work out for me. I'm not saying they, you know, killing Ultra Boost or nothing like that, but they are super comfortable to me. That is the only shoe without a box. I got an old school Nike Flight 1 NRG in a 10.5. Dang. NRG, we got the East Bay receipt. Somebody paid $130 for them. These are not dead stock. I can tell from the bottom. These are dope though. I know them OG sneakerheads appreciate stuff like this. The Flights. Got the 1 on the back. Got the Nike Air on the back, number 1, Mr. Hardaway. These are hard, man. Bring back those childhood memories. Whoever had them took super good care of them too. Look how they did the paper inside the box. They folded up the paper and all that. What year did these come out? This is a 2011 release, so we got a 9-year-old pair, 10-year-old pair now, excuse me, of the Nike Flight 1 NRG in a size 10.5. All right, let me see what we got here. We got another size 13 Air Max 97. I told y'all we get Air Maxes in these boxes. I've been getting a ton of Air Maxes in the boxes that I didn't have time to film. I've got a ton of Air Maxes. Air Max 97 OG. This is a quick strike. You guys seen me before open up the silver bullets. I think these are the gold medals, what they called. Size 13. If that would have been dead stock, that would have been dope. Very, very cool shoe. I personally like the silver medal or silver bullets, whatever one you call them. I like that pair better. But these still hold some pretty good value, man. Air Max 97. Pre-owned, so I'm gonna pull out both of them. It looks like they're in really good shape. Size 13. Not even a lot of dirt on the bottom. I tried to turn that ring light down so you guys don't get blasted out and can actually see the shoes. But, you know, if you can't see the shoes, you get better pictures over on the IG page or eBay. Sometimes I'll post them on one on eBay and forget to post them on IG or something like that. A lot of times they just go straight up locally. But we got another Air Max 98. This is also a quick strike in size 13. I wanted these so bad in my size, bro. Had these been in my size, this would have been an instant keeper for me, man. Look how that color just pops. I can't even think of the nickname to them. I'm horrible with nicknames nowadays. I get so many different shoes in. It's hard to remember all the names. But these are dope. That color is crazy. Air Max 98. I got a few 98s in my collection now. No, I'll take that back. I got 2 pair. I got a triple white, and I got like a gray pair. But these are dope. I like them. Size 13, pre-owned in the box. We got 3 pair left. We got 2 pair of Lebrons, size 10.5 in men, size 12 in women. Looks like we got a dead stock pair of Lebron 16s. These are different. I feel like these are a copycat model of something else I've seen before. I had to do some research on these, but I've seen this before, this colorway with this strap on there. The 16s don't normally have that little strap on the bottom. Let me turn this down just a little bit more. I hope that helps y'all. Take this out the way. Check those out. LeBron 16, size 10.5. Dead stock. Dead stock sneakers, super easy to move, man. $7.50. I'm loving it so far. I got 2 pair left. This is the other LeBron I was telling y'all about, size 10.5. Another dead stock pair of LeBron 16s. I guess they unloading them now. Super cool. This is a dope colorway right here. Remind me of Denver Nuggets. Check those out. Got the Dunk Man on the bottom. LeBron 16 lows. It's 10.5. We got a Jordan at the bottom. Good old Jordan 4 box, size 13 also. Man, I needed size 13s. I got dudes locally that's hitting me hard for 13s. Glad we saved these for last, bro. We got the Fear 4s. If you follow me, I thought these was dead stock. They so clean. Oh my gosh. Are these dead stock? These ain't dead stock. Let me turn this light up real quick. I think these are dead stock. No, they're not dead stock. I see a little dirt on the bottom. Man, that is close. That's close. That had me shook for a minute. Not dead stock. Man, it looked like they was maybe tried on in the store or something like that. I don't know. These are very, very clean. Check them out. Oh, I'm tripping. I could have just looked at the sock liner. Bro, I got too excited. I'm tripping. Very dope pair nonetheless. Fear 4s. Size 13. This was a $7.50 box. This is close to half the price of the box. Again, another banging box. I got a $1,000 box in the living room. I'm try to shoot that one right after this one. So if I got on the same clothes, y'all don't talk about me. I'm just playing. Box is damaged. Check that out. Size 13, man. That's it. What we got? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 8 pair in this box. I'm loving it, man. I buy them all day. Buy them all day at this price range, man. So follow the Instagram page at TGOTSOLE for sale. I should have some of these up. Hit that eBay link. It's about 5 or 6 pair on there. Appreciate you guys taking time out your day to watch these videos. Happy New Year to y'all, man. I hope it's a very prosperous and just a great year for everybody, man. 2020 was so horrible. We gotta bounce back, and hopefully everybody has a very blessed year. Follow me everywhere at TGOTSOLE. I think that's it. I'm gonna try to get this other one shot today and get these videos out to y'all, man. I'm out. Peace.